NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 has just been released, and it's a game changer for AI agents. This new tool combines speech and multimodal intelligence to create more human-like interactions. Let's dive into its features and see how you can use it. Nemotron 3 was announced last week at CES 2026, and it's already generating buzz in the AI community. According to NVIDIA's blog, this new tool is designed to enable more natural conversations between humans and AI agents. With Nemotron 3, you can create AI agents that can understand and respond to voice commands, as well as recognize and interpret visual cues. One of the key features of Nemotron 3 is its advanced speech recognition capabilities. This tool can accurately recognize and transcribe speech in real time, even in noisy environments. This means that your AI agents can understand voice commands and respond accordingly. But Nemotron 3 isn't just limited to speech recognition. It also includes advanced multimodal intelligence, beginner to AI agents to understand and interpret visual cues. This means that your AI agents can recognize and respond to gestures, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cue. So how can you use Nemotron 3 to create more human-like AI agents? First, you'll need to download the Nemotron 3 SDK from NVIDIA's website. Once you've downloaded the SDK, you can start building your own AI agents using NVIDIA's proprietary algorithms and tools. To get started, you'll need to create a new project in the Nemotron 3 dashboard. From there, you can configure your AI agent's speech recognition and multimodal intelligence capabilities. You can also customize your agent's personality and tone to make it more human-like. One of the most exciting features of Nemotron 3 is its ability to integrate with other NVIDIA tools and platforms. For example, you can use Nemotron 3 with NVIDIA's Deep Learning SDK to create AI agents that can learn and adapt over time. In terms of performance, Nemotron 3 is a significant improvement over its predecessor. According to NVIDIA's benchmarks, Nemotron 3 can recognize speech with 95% accuracy, compared to 85% accuracy with Nemotron 2. This means that your AI agents can understand voice commands more accurately and respond accordingly. But what really sets Nemotron 3 apart is its ability to enable more natural conversations between humans and AI agents. With its advanced speech recognition and multimodal intelligence capabilities, Nemotron 3 can create AI agents that feel more human-like and intuitive. So what can you do with Nemotron 3? The possibilities are endless. You can create AI-powered chatbots that can understand and respond to voice commands. You can build AI-powered virtual assistants that can recognize and interpret visual cues. You can even create AI-powered robots that can interact with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. In conclusion, NVIDIA's Nemotron 3 is a powerful tool for creating more human-like AI agents. With its advanced speech recognition and multimodal intelligence capabilities, Nemotron 3 can enable more natural conversations between humans and AI agents. Whether you're building AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, or robots, Nemotron 3 is definitely worth checking out. To get started with Nemotron 3, head over to NVIDIA's website and download the SDK. From there, you can start building your own AI agents and exploring the possibilities of this exciting new tool.